Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a developer, you know how important it is to stay ahead of the curve when it comes to tools and technologies. And in 2025, the open source world is booming with incredible tools that can supercharge your workflow. So, in today's video, we're diving into the best open source tools for developers in 2025. Let's get started. 1. Code editors and IDEs in 2025. A reliable code editor, or IDE, is essential to every developer's toolkit. In 2025, open source editors have evolved with cutting-edge AI support, better collaboration tools, and seamless cross-platform functionality. Top open source code editors. 1. Visual Studio Code VS Code leads the pack with its vast extension marketplace and AI integrations like Codium and Tab9. Developers love its powerful debugging tools, Git integration, and customization. 2. Lapce, built in Rust. Lapce is incredibly fast and lightweight. It's ideal for developers who want speed and performance without compromising features. It supports plugin-based customization. 3. Neovim. An advanced alternative to Vim, Neovim brings modern features like Lua-based configuration, tree sitter for syntax parsing, and integration with Language Server Protocol (LSP). Collaborative features editors like Zed support real-time collaboration, perfect for remote development. GitHub Codespaces brings cloud-based coding directly in the browser, while Code Together allows pair programming across different environments. Conclusion. Your ideal code editor depends on what you value: speed, extensibility, or cloud-first development. Today's tools offer smarter, faster, and more connected workflows than ever before. 2. DevOps and Cloud Tools. DevOps has become a cornerstone of modern software engineering. In 2025, it emphasizes automation, security, and scalability, empowering teams to deliver high-quality software quickly and reliably. Top open-source DevOps tools. 1. Kubernetes and KubeVela. Kubernetes remains the gold standard for container orchestration. KubeVela builds on it by simplifying multi-cloud deployments. With Helm charts and operators, teams can automate complex tasks effortlessly. 2. Tekton and Argo CD. Tekton is a flexible Kubernetes native tool for building CI/CD pipelines. Argo CD supports GitOps practices, enabling automated declarative application delivery and rollbacks. 3. Podman and Cilium. Podman offers rootless containers, boosting security without sacrificing performance. Cilium uses E.BPF for advanced networking, observability, and zero-trust policy enforcement in cloud-native environments. Future trends: expect continued growth in AI-driven observability using tools like Prometheus. Serverless and edge computing are also reshaping how and where applications run. Conclusion: open-source DevOps tools in 2025 are smarter, more secure, and built for scale. They enable faster releases, stronger infrastructure control, and improved collaboration across teams. 3. AI and machine learning tools. In 2025, AI and machine learning have become vital to industries worldwide, powering automation, enhancing analytics, and improving decision-making at scale. Open-source tools are at the heart of this transformation. Top open-source AI tools. 1. Hugging Face Transformers. A leading library for natural language processing, NLP vision, and audio. It offers easy access to pre-trained models for tasks like text generation, translation, and image classification, making multimodal AI more accessible. 2. MLflow and JAX. MLflow simplifies managing the ML lifecycle, including tracking experiments, packaging code, and deploying models. JAX is a high-performance library used in deep learning research, offering automatic differentiation and fast GPU-TPU execution. 3. Triton and TinyML. OpenAI's Triton optimizes GPU kernels for custom deep learning operations. Meanwhile, TinyML brings machine learning to edge devices, allowing AI to run efficiently on low-power hardware. Challenges and future trends. Key concerns include ethics, bias reduction, and responsible AI deployment. At the same time, AI-powered software development and model transparency are gaining attention. Conclusion: open-source AI tools are shaping the future of technology, offering powerful capabilities that are scalable, customizable, and increasingly accessible to developers across the globe. 4. Collaboration and project management. As remote and hybrid work models become standard, teams rely heavily on collaboration tools. Open-source solutions now rival commercial platforms, offering secure, customizable, and cost-effective alternatives for communication and project coordination. Top open-source collaboration tools. 1. Jitsi Meet and Big Blue Button. Jitsi Meet enables secure, real-time video meetings with no account setup. Big Blue Button caters to virtual classrooms and team discussions, offering features like whiteboards, breakout rooms, and live chat. 2. Taiga and Mattermost. Taiga is a user-friendly agile project management tool that supports Scrum and Kanban workflows. Mattermost serves as a robust messaging platform, ideal for secure team communication and DevOps integration. 3. Outline. Outline is a collaborative knowledge base that helps teams organize internal documentation. It supports Markdown editing and integrates well with tools like Slack, GitHub, and Notion. Conclusion: open-source collaboration and project management tools are shaping a new era of teamwork, empowering distributed teams to work effectively with tools that are adaptable, transparent, and built for remote success. 5. Security and blockchain tools. As cyber threats grow more sophisticated and blockchain continues to reshape industries, open-source tools have become vital for protecting systems and supporting decentralized innovation. These tools help ensure transparency, trust, and robust digital defense. Top open-source security and blockchain tools. 1. Trivy and SigStore. Trivy is a fast, reliable vulnerability scanner for containers, code, and cloud infrastructure. SigStore secures the software supply chain by enabling developers to sign, verify, and protect code artifacts. 2. OSquery and Suricata. OSquery turns your systems into a query-able database, allowing real-time endpoint visibility and threat detection. Suricata offers high-performance intrusion detection and prevention with deep packet inspection capabilities. 3. Hyperledger Besu. A powerful Ethereum client from the Hyperledger project, Besu supports enterprise-grade blockchain applications. It's used to build permissioned networks and decentralized solutions with privacy and scalability. Future trends. Zero Trust architecture is becoming the default approach to cybersecurity. Additionally, as blockchain apps expand, smart contract security and auditing are gaining significant attention. Conclusion: open-source security and blockchain tools are crucial in 2025, ensuring resilience, transparency, and trust in modern digital ecosystems. They empower organizations to defend, innovate, and decentralize effectively. Security and blockchain tools in 2025. So there you have it, the best open source tools for developers in 2025. Whether you're into AI, DevOps, or just looking for a better way to collaborate, these tools have got you covered. What's your favorite open source tool? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you next time.